Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will see how to remove the backgrounds of your images. Yes, like this. Without no further ado, let's get started. So I have my Canva open right here. So let us see how we can use the Canva provided option to remove the background from the images. Okay, so I'm going to the uploads option where I have downloaded a couple of pictures where we can apply background effect and see how it works. So let me open this image. So basically I have selected an image from maybe Maldives. It looks great, isn't it? Yeah, so I've covered the entire sheet with this image. Now I'll pick up this beautiful lady right here. So I'm gonna remove the background of her image. So I'm just selecting the image where I want to remove the background, and here there is an edit option available on the top left. Okay, click on the edit image. You will see various options to work on editing the image that you have selected. You can try any of them, but for this video we'll see how to remove the background. So there's option called BG remover, which is the background remover. I'm gonna click on that and you will see there is work done and the background has been removed. So yes, so I'm gonna place her where I need. Now if you see, the location has changed, so right now she's in another picture and in another place. Okay, so I can make her smaller and move away from the picture so that it looks like she's walking towards the home. Okay, and you can make her larger and bring it towards your end so that it looks she's closer towards the camera. Okay, you can move her. I'll move her this way. Okay, yes, so do you see how you can play with the background removal option? Let's do another thing. So I'll click on add page, and here now we will put her in the forest view. So I have a forest or a normal park kind of background. I have used that and fit into my entire page. I'll again use the lady. I'll click on the image, click on edit image and say BG remover. Okay, I'll click on BG remover, processing happens and the background is removed. So yes, she's right here. So let us move her away from the camera, but just remember, if you are moving her away from the camera, you need to make her smaller so that it looks like she's walking into the woods, right? Yeah, do you see that? It looks like she is walking away from the camera. So let me bring her towards the camera. I'm gonna make her larger, and yes, you can move her and make her even more larger using the resize option of the image. Yes, so that is it. So I'll just move her so that it looks like the sunlight is falling on her hat. Okay, Yeah, so that is it for this video. Just have a look at both the images. It doesn't look like they were two separate images, right? Okay, thank you.